Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Hunafatun Uryati and I'm a student of Pancasakti University Tegal, majoring in Indonesian Language and Literature Education. In this video, I would like to deliver a summary of an article entitled A Representation of Women's Character in the Movie of Sore, Istri dari Masa Depan, and Implementation in Indonesian Language Learning Process. Our study examines a representation of women's characters in the movie of Sore, Istri dari Masa Depan, which was directed by Yani Lawrence. The analysis of women's characters representation in the study used Stuart Hall's theory. The purpose of the study is to describe a representation of women's character in the movie of Sore, Istri dari Masa Depan and to apply it to Indonesian language. The study used a descriptive qualitative approach. Data search is from the movie and the data is in the form of dialogue between characters in the movie which contain meaningful representation according to Stuart Hall's theory. Informal methods are used in the study to present the data. The result of the study or data containing representation of women's character obtained from the dialogue between characters in the movie. These data are then implemented to Indonesian language learning process in high school, particularly in 10th grade, on the topic of biography text. Few women often remain neutral in various fields. In coding film, women in media representation are often stereotyped and then to be perceived based on previous social constructs. This has sparked debate about the impact of the construct image of women on public understanding. And in education has the potential to shape negative perception of students in the public space. Therefore, an in-depth analysis of the representation of women in film is crucial to significantly impact and foster greater gender equality in academia. Here is some data that has been found. The data is described based on the representation of women's character future more. Here is data that has been found. The data is described based on the representation of women's characters. Furthermore, to support the data, the context of the movie of Sore, Istri dari Masa Depan, and dialogue are present to demonstrate the accuracy of the data. The following is a description of the data obtained. And data 1. Context in data 1. In the kitchen, Sora is cooking Joe's favorite meal while waiting for him to return home. Representation analysis. Women are often represented as loving figures. They are capable of doing anything to make someone they care about happy. One example of this is the dialogue above, showing the affection. One example of this is the dialogue above, showing the affection a woman has to her partner by cooking their favorite meal. Through her act of cooking, we can see not only her affection but also her concern for her partner. Next, data 2. Context data 2. Joe promised Sore to do whatever she asks. Sore begins to throw away the cigarette and alcohol that Joe frequently consumes. Forbids Joe from work late at night and begins to encourage Joe to adopt a healthy lifestyle, such as exercising and eating fresh fruit. Representation analysis. In this film, Sora represented the character of a loving and affectionate woman, judging by the way Sora slowly changed Joe's habits and how she she begins to ditch Joe, cigarettes, and alcohol. Sarah is portrayed as a woman who is attentive to her partner, having good intentions. Sarah wants Joe to abandon his bad habits and start living a healthy life. Yang terakhir, so the research details, it can be concluded the movie successfully represents women as characters who are steadfast, persistent, resilient, and never give up in fighting for the future. The description of woman character is derived from dialogue and scenes involving the characters. The research also can be implemented in Indonesian language learning process and high school on the lesson material of biographical text, wherein the learning outcomes of reading and viewing students can understand, interpret, and reflect on text present in visual or audiovisual form, one, one of which in the form of movie. That's all from my presentation. I hope it's useful. See you again. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.